How to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. I am going to show you how you can easily withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. The first thing you want to do is to open Binance.com in your web browser. Next, you need to transfer the funds to the particular wallet. So you have to tap on the wallet button at the right top corner. Here are different options like profile, notification, and more. Click on the wallet and tap on Funding Wallet. Here you can see your estimated balance and the amount in different currencies. Click on the transfer button. You can transfer your funds to fiat and spot. You can convert your funds to coins, USD, or other options. Click on funding to see the options as well as fiat and spot to see the options like coin or USDM features. These are inactive for now because no amount is available currently. When the amount is available, you can change it from fiat and spot to coin margin. You can select the amount and then tap on continue. Now go back and click on funding from the left bar menu. Here your funding is shown in different currencies. When you see your currency is funded, then click on trade. In trade, you have to click on P2P. Now you have to change your currency. Click on sell, then tap on all payments. Here are different payment options. Search for Revolut. From here, you can select the vendor to which you want to sell your crypto. There should be a particular amount present for you to sell. That is all about it. In this way, you can withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.